Hello there, I'm ASUE Delphine Bale. I am a Cameroonian based in Belgium. I speak both English and French. I am a certified English teacher with over 2 years of experience as a classroom teacher and 2 years of experience as an online teacher. As a certified English teacher, I provide personalized lessons tailored to your needs, whether it's improving your speaking skills, mastering grammar, or preparing for exams. My teaching style is interactive, supportive, and designed to get real results. Learning English will be exciting, and with my guidance, you will gain the skills and confidence you need to communicate naturally in any situation. Start your journey to fluency with a passionate and certified English teacher. Whether you are a beginner or you are trying to refine your skills, I am here to help you achieve your goals in a fun, engaging, and effective way. Book a lesson with me today and take the first step towards mastering English. Thank you.